So hi guys, we're gonna start with number 4, which is this wireless cordless hedge trimmer. I had it for nearly 2 years and I really like it, you know, because you can extend it and you can use it for like high shrubs or plants, high plants or high hedges. Yeah, you can fold it as well, and the battery is good quality, really lasts longer. Yeah, it's really light. It's not that heavy, you know, because the batteries you carry them on your shoulders, and all the weight, you know, and you've got light weight, you know, on weight on your arms, and you can't feel it, can't feel the weight. So as you can see, I've used it for this ivies, and I'm gonna try one of the trees. This one. This is the outside, and you can do any design with it, and you reach the top, and it's really smooth. It does a good job. As you can see, it goes really smooth. You can do the top easy as well, you know, by folding it. Half fold it, you know, like that, and you can reach the top, and you can extend it if you want. Extend it more higher if it needs. I really like it. Really make my work easy and not hard. Yeah, I'm really happy with it. So now I'm gonna try another tree, which is this one. I'm gonna trim the branches. They're really big branches, and you can do them as well. It's not only shrub and the hedges. Well, as you can see, they really did a good job. Number 3 is a grafting tool. This is one of the best tools I've ever seen. Heavy duty pruning can be used 1,000 times. Anti-rust blade, automatic unlock, safety lock button. This grafting tool will save up to 60% of your time than the traditional grafting tool we used to. It comes with spare blades as well, you know, really sharp. It does a very good clean cut. This is really a good tool. It's really cheap, you know, it's not that expensive. You can get it only 5-6 quid on Amazon. You can try it, you can get one and try it and let me know how it does. This is number 2 now, which is the folding pruning saw. It's very handy. Nice click. You can actually keep it with you, or you can fold it and put it in your pocket. It's really light, really sharp blade, ideal for trees, branches, and it's super sharp. I like it. It's well designed. I literally recommend it. So our number 1 now is these automatic self-watering spikes. This product, we've got 12 packs. They come in a sealed bag with the 12 packs. They'll fit perfectly if you know how to do that. It's really that easy. You can just take the top and screw it like this clockwise, and put the water flow valve and then adjust it. So it comes, with 2 different designs. This is for the small bottles and the one for the big bottles, but they both do the same. Just make sure to put to make this water flow valve facing the soil, not the sky, like what I've done. And after that, make sure to put a hole when you finish this process. To put a hole when you after putting water, put a hole on the top so to let the air flow. So now, as you can see, after filling it up with water and put it on my pot like this, as you can see here, the water start dripping because I adjusted this valve, the water flow valve, so it dripping as I want it. And you can adjust it, like turn it right or left, twist it right or left. It depends how you want it. And this is my second pot now, and I've got my second tool device here. As you can see, it's dripping as well. So this will last me over a month without watering. This is outdoor, this is the garden, and I put these for my flowers. And I'm expecting the rain in 2 or 3 days, but that's why I'm adjusting just to drip slowly, because I don't need too much water. So as you can see, it's really good thing to do, to invest in. They're really good stuff, especially if you don't have a time to look after your plants, especially indoors. And this is the best way to irrigate your plants and your indoor pots and that. Now I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Till the next one, I wish you all the best and see you on my next video.